We just got back from North Carolina, surprising Aunt Keiki, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and that was fun. And now we are hitting the road. Well, we're not hitting the road. We're getting on a plane, but we are heading out again to go back to Pennsylvania, back home to visit family and celebrate Minnie's birthday. He's going to be 5. Of course, since we've been home from North Carolina, we have dealt with a series of illnesses. So I really wanted to be prepared this time and pack early, but of course, this illness hit over the weekend, and so I haven't had time to pack because I've just been trying to feel better. And now yet again I am packing at the last minute. On another note, we are staying in Pennsylvania for 12 days, which is pretty long. I have never packed for that long, particularly on a plane, and especially since I've had 2 children, so that just is a whole other level. Mom tip, whenever I'm packing the actual luggage, I also take the time to set aside an outfit specifically for travel days. I see you back there. You can see here very, you know, I don't have a special place for it, it's just on the bookshelves, but I have their 2 outfits. And that's just so that in the morning when we're running around like crazy, I don't have to worry about finding clothes. And then I have also picked specifically very soft, comfy clothes. And then something that's like a favorite of theirs. My kids are not always super keen on getting dressed in the morning. So to make it as easy as possible, I set clothes aside, make it comfortable, and make it something they love. So I love these packing cubes, but I only have 2 of them. I need to get more, and so I kind of adjust what's in them based on where we're going and what we're doing. So this time we have swim stuff in this one. There's the boys, there's mine, and then there's shoes too, so that their sneakers don't get wet since we're going to Great Wolf Lodge for 3 days. Here's the second packing cube. We're gonna do pajamas in this one. The boys pretty much share pajamas because they are close enough in size. Last night I got the boys clothes packed. The reason that I bought this bag, this is a Samsonite bag. One of the reasons that I bought it is because each side has its own kind of cover to it that is adjustable. You can see here you can kind of adjust the height on it. So I got it for the 2 boys because they can each be on a side. And then their clothes, obviously they're so little, so their clothes doesn't take up the whole space. So I am going to be tossing these bags in, and then I also have, ignore the mess, I have beach towels and a blanket that are going to come with us in this suitcase. So should be plenty of space, and I should not have an issue with hopefully weight this time around. Fingers crossed. Yeah. What do you have to say?
Yes.
Something else I enjoy about this bag specifically is it has a little pocket here on one side, not on the other, only on one side. But that is, thank you. That's where we're going to put socks and underwear so that they stay kind of separate, but still easily accessible. I'm embracing my unshowered mom chic this morning. But the last things I'm putting in the suitcase are trash bags for dirty clothes, especially because we're changing locations so many times on this trip, like 4 or 5 times. We're going and staying at different places, so I don't want the clean and the dirty clothes mixed together. And then I have one of these duffel bags that, I actually own 2 of these, that you can fold up into a little bag. This one is contained inside itself and has become so small and is quite a large bag when it's unfolded. Yeah, and it's easy. I'm sure it could be even smaller and flatter than this if you took time to actually try to fold it. I just shoved it inside itself, and that's that. So, yay! That's the boy suitcase.